Number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. It is now 5:32, and right now we have the news brought to you by Alexan, and now we have another non-human aside from me. We have
non-human.
Yeah, we have Kat. All right.
Hi,
Good morning.
Here's a sports update brought to you by Alexan, the number one pain reliever for body aches and pain. Alaska Milk remains unbeaten at the PBA Commissioner's Cup. 83-82 was the score when the Milkmen beat Ginebra San Miguel last night at the Astrodome, claiming their 8th straight win. Alaska's Devin Davis scored highest for the winning team with 28 points. Ginebra's Chris King made 21 points. And that sports news was brought to you by Alexan, the number one pain reliever for body aches and pain. Good morning, you're with the Seahorse, and I'm Kat on the number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC.
All right, that's right. The non-humans are on the air right now on a Saturday morning. This is WKC.
Heavy ng load ko. Lahat rush. Si boss kulit. Sobrang tension, my body's aching.
Sabi ni Doc, Alaksan. Isang Alaksan agad. Tanggal ang body ache at muscle tension. Housework, don't sweat. Basta may Alaksan. Get back into the action. Ibuprofen, paracetamol, Alaksan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Some like it slow. Unbreak my heart. Some like it easy. We just want to give you a break. Get away from it all. We're taking it nice and easy on the WKC Afternoon Delight.
Don't be afraid.
You deserve it. The WKC Afternoon Delight. Mondays to Saturdays, 1 to 3 p.m. On the number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC.
Sa panahon ngayon, ang hirap maging tatay. Gastos, may school ng mga anak, mga magastos ng pambahay, may mga utang pang dapat bayaran. Tapos ang dami pang tukso. Mga barkada, alak, may babae pa. Buti na lang si Daddy, mahal pa rin kami. Kaya ako bilang ama, bago lahat, pamilya muna. Sa lahat ng mga daddy, Happy Father's Day, pare. A Father's Day message from 93.9 WKC.
WKC Family Favorite.
WKC Family Favorite Time, and it is brought to you by PLDT, Touching Lives. We have AHA, Morton, Pal, and Mega. And this one's called Take On Me on the number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. The number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. That's AHA and Take On Me for our WKC family favorite for the hour. And it is brought to you by PLDT, Touching Lives. And right now we're going to play a game for Father's Day. It's the Biogesic game. All right, we're looking for caller number 4 over 631-6268 as we listen to Lito Cabo and Kung Ikaw on 93.9 WKC.
93.9 WKC.
Hi, we're the Wise Guys.
You're listening to the number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC.
The number one family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. That's the Moffats with I'll Be There For You at 5:45. All right, let's talk to somebody on the family line for our Biogesic game. Hello?
Hello?
Hi there, what's your name? Ano pangalan mo?
Regina rin.
Megina rin. What's your family name?
Ipa?
Ano apelido mo?
Dayaw.
Dayaw. And saan ka tumatawag?
Sa Gunoy Taguig.
Gunoy Taguig. Okay. Anong medicine ang binibigay para matanggal agad ang fever o toothache?
Biogesic.
Okay. At medyo siglaan naman natin, Meji, okay? Okay. At hinaan mo radyo mo. Okay. Okay. Anong medicine ang binibigay para matanggal agad ang fever o toothache? Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Anong medicine ang binibigay para matanggal agad ang fever or toothache?
Biogesic po.
Okay, why Biogesic Tutti Frutti Syrup?
Kasi may world's safest pain reliever Paracetamol sa Biogesic. Wala nga sa tiyan ko.
Okay, congratulations, Midgie. And you just won a Biogesic Centennial backpack. Okay, for Father's Day. Okay, anong number 1 family station sa Metro Manila?
93.9 WKC.
At bakit WKC?
Kasi sa KC, WKC,
We are family. Okay, thank you. But first, give us your Father's Day message for Dad. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, magbigay ko muna ng message para sa dad mo. Like Father's Day, like, Dad, I love you, ganun.
Ano pa?
Never mind. All right, congratulations, you just won.
Han, gising. Tumataas ang lagnat ni Junior. He needs a doctor.
Ha? It's 2 a.m. Bigyan natin ng Biogesic syrup.
Tama. Bigay ni Doc para mabilis bumaba ang lagnat.
Walang hapdi sa tiyan ni Junior.
Han, okay na si Junior. Pero...
May lagnat rin.
Relax. Nag-Biogesic na ako.
Paracetamol Biogesic, the number 1 choice. If symptoms persist, see your doctor.
Kasaysayan at pelikula. 100 years of cinema in the Philippines. Memorable films ever produced. Featuring Biyaya ng Lupa by Manuel Silos. No Limitangel by Jerry De Leon. Asidilio by Celso Ad Castillo. Tinimbang Kang Ngunit Kulang by Lino Broca. And other film masterworks reflecting the history and the soul of the Filipino. Kasaysayan at pelikula. A salute to the Philippine Centennial. Showing June 17 to 23.
Bali na halos ang likod mo sa kakakayod. Pero okay lang to sa'yo. May makain lang kaming pamilya mo. Thanks, and we love you, Dad. This is Ray Mambo. Happy Father's Day. A Father's Day message from 93.9 WKC.
This is the number 1 family station in Metro Manila.
Our family station.
You're tuned to 93.9 WKC.
The number 1 family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. It is now 5:52. Stay tuned for the upcoming San Miguel Sports Bulletin at 6 a.m. from San Miguel Beer. Kay sarap ng Orig. All right, 8 minutes more before Michael Baby checks in, all the way till 8. And in fact, he's going to go double today, so that means on a Saturday, it's going to be a double treat from Michael Baby because he'll be hosting the WKC Pop Music Countdown at 11. In the meantime, you're listening to The Seahorse with Savage Garden on 93.9 WKC.
I'll be your dreamer,
The number 1 family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC. And that's it for the show. This has been The Seahorse. Goodbye, everybody. Jesus loves you. Peace. Michael Baby is up next all the way till 8. And then at 8, Hillbilly Willie. And then it's a second set for Michael Baby as he hosts the WKC Pop Music Countdown. All right, goodbye and good morning. And stay tuned to the number 1 family station in Metro Manila, 93.9 WKC.